4.
Via via, vieni via di qui, niente più ti lega a questi luoghi, neanche questi.
Hello my crochet friends, so finally new projects for you. This very nice shrug, I made it with cotton yarn, but of course you can use any yarn you like. For example, a wool yarn, a worsted weight yarn. It's very easy to crochet this shrug. I will give you all the instructions step by step for any size. I think this is very useful for this final summer, and I think you can use for many occasions in your life. So let's get started.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Via via, vieni via di qui, niente più ti lega a questi luoghi, neanche questi fiori azzurri. Via via.
Only for the foundation chain I will be using a 4mm crochet hook size, slip knot to start, and now so many chains you need. When the foundation chain is ready, remove the 4mm crochet hook and take the 3.5. Now from here 4 chains more, and now in the 8th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 double crochet, chain 1 into the same stitch, double crochet 1 again, my V stitch. Now chain 1, yarn over, skip the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, into the next one, double crochet 1. This is the segment I have to repeat all across this row. I show you again. Chain 1, yarn over, skip the next 2 stitches, into the next one, double crochet 1, chain 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 1. Chain 1, yarn over, skip the next 1, 2 stitches, into the next one, double crochet 1. Go ahead like that all across the row. At the end of this row, V-stitch, chain 1, yarn over, skip the next 1, 2 stitches, into the last one, 1 double crochet. The first row is completed, ready for the second one. Chain 1 and turn your work. Enter the very first stitch and single crochet 1. Now from here, chain 3 into the next chain 1 space below 1 single crochet, chain 3 again, into the double crochet below 1 single crochet, repeat, chain 3, single crochet 1 into the chain 1 space below, chain 3, single crochet 1 into the double crochet below, and so on all across the row. At the end of this row, chain 3, skip the double crochet, skip the next chain, into the next chain 1 single crochet to finish this row. Ready for the row number 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work, and now 1 single crochet into the chain 3 space below, chain 3, single crochet 1 into the next space, the next chain 3 space, and continue like that all across the row. At the end of this row, just chain 1 and double crochet 1 into the single crochet below. Ready for row number 4. Chain 3 and turn, which takes the place of the first double crochet, into the next space below, double crochet 3. Chain 1, into the same space, double crochet 3. Into the next space, double crochet 1. That's the first segment I have to repeat all across the row. Show you again. Into the next space, double crochet 3. Chain 1, double crochet 3 into the same space. Into the next space, double crochet 1. Repeat all across the row. At the end of this row, 1 double crochet into the chain number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now you can start again from row number 1, because this stitch pattern is just the repetition of 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I show you how to restart from the first one. Chain 4 and turn. 1 V-stitch into the chain 1 space below, double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1 again. Now 1 double crochet into the double crochet below. Repeat, chain 1, 1 V-stitch into the chain 1 space, double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1 into the double crochet below, and go ahead like that, repeating 1 2 3 4, then again 1 2 3 4, then again 1 2 3 4, till you get to the needed length for your blouse. I worked 81 rows totally for a length of 74 centimeters.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Via via, vieni via di qui. Niente più ti lega a questi luoghi, neanche questi fiori azzurri. Via via, neanche questo tempo grigio, pieno di musiche e di uomini che ti son piaciuti. It's wonderful, it's wonderful, it's wonderful. Good luck, my baby, it's wonderful, wonderful, it's wonderful. I dream of you. Chips, chips, do-dap-die, 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 do-dap-die. Via via, vieni via con me. Entra in questo amore buio, non perderti per niente al mondo. Via via, non perderti per niente al mondo. Lo spettacolo d'arte varia di un innamorato di te. It's wonderful, it's wonderful, it's wonderful. Good luck, my baby, it's wonderful, wonderful, it's wonderful. I dream of you. Chips, chips, do-dap-die, do-dap-die, do-dap-die. Via via, vieni via con me. Entra in questo amore buio, pieno di uomini. Via via, entra e fatti un bagno caldo. C'è un accappatoio azzurro, fuori piove un mondo
My
freddo.
shrug is perfectly joined. One sleeve, second sleeve. Now I have to work all the way around, starting from the point I like. I just have to refine all the way around. So many rounds, so many times I need for my size. I will tell you how many for myself at the end of my work. So now, here we have the shell, you see. I will start not from this hole, but from the next one. Insert your hook, pull the yarn through the space, chain 1 into the same space, single crochet 1. So I'm ready to start. Chain 1 from here, yarn over, skip the next space below into the next one, double crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 3 again in the same space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and now into the same space where I started, here after the shell, single crochet 1. Show you again, chain 1, double crochet 3, chain 1, double crochet 3, chain 1, single crochet 1, and repeat that all the way around. At the end of this round, slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round. Chain 1, again single crochet 1 into the same stitch, chain 1, and now into the chain 1 space repeat 3 double crochet to create your shell. Chain 1 into the same space, 3 double crochet. So you have just to repeat the same stitch, chain 1, single crochet 1 into the single crochet below, and repeat the same. So many rounds, so many times you need, it's necessary for your size.
One, two, three, four.
Vieni via di qui, niente più ti lega a questi luoghi, neanche questi fiori azzurri. Via via, neanche questo tempo grigio, pieno di musiche e di uomini che ti son piaciuti. It's wonderful.